Okay, this is a fan that I videoed not too long ago that was thrown out along the curb. And since I'm quarantined and since I have extra time on my hands in this quarantine, we're going to see if this fan is worth restoring. Okay, I got it plugged in. I'm going to go ahead and try and turn it on, see if we get any noise to the motor. Well, getting no response from the motor whatsoever. So I'm thinking not only is the motor seized up, but it could also be burnt out. Because if it wasn't burnt out, we would get a buzzing noise in the motor. So I'm thinking that, of course, either the motor's burnt out or there's a short in it somewhere. But I'm not sure if this fan can be restored or not. Just let me know in the comments box what you think.